So I didn't say intro outro because this video is just making this week right here, which is finna show how I made it and everything, but I didn't show like the finished product and everything because really I was just doing a video just to see how I look, and yeah, I'm finna edit and everything. So if welcome back to my channel if you're not new, and if you are new, hey girl, hey boy. I hope y'all like my channel. I hope y'all like everything that I'm finna do. And yeah, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share with your friends, your family, your mama, your daddy, anybody. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'm just gonna show how I made a wig, and it's basic and everything, and just gonna have to show you how to do it and everything. So let's go. Hey y'all, it's your drink and I'm back. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, hey y'all, so this hair is from Diamond Virgin Hair, and I forgot what type of texture hair it is, but I will have in the description below. I did bleach the knots, which I didn't really just do as well, but I did, but it kind of got on the hair, and I just put mascara over it. But right now I'm just putting water on the like around the areas just to push it back so it won't be no way when I sew the wig down. But like as you can see, like the bleach is on the hair, and if you can see a little, I put mascara around this side, but I didn't get to the other side. So right now I'm putting on mousse on it, and we just gonna get it slayed, baby. I'm showing you like the parts and stuff because I did not pluck this hair at all. It came like this, and I'm very glad it did because I really don't like plucking. And yeah, this frontal is a 14, and we just gonna see how I made this work with this 28-inch hair. The cap I got is a ultra dome cap. You want to get dome and you want to get ultra stretch because you never know if your hair gonna be too small, too big. And I'm just putting the frontal over it, like you want to put it like a little over it because you're gonna end up cutting that part. So, and you just want to pin it down with some pins, whatever type of pins you have. So how to sew your frontal bundles in, this is how you do it. You basically get a needle, you have thread, and you go through the cap, through the frontal piece, and then you just bring it back in, and you just keep redoing it because I mean, hey, that's what you do. And yeah, that's the only way I can explain. The other way is y'all just gonna have to look because I really just can't explain. But yeah. So right here I'm finna be done with sewing down the frontal to the cap, and what you want to do is you're gonna end up cutting it to where you can tie a knot, and you want to tie a knot at least 2 to 3 times, and then you want to cut it that way that long piece don't be in the way. So that's what I'm showing, and you want to do that with every time you done with the like every time the thread is almost over. Do this. Don't wait till it's like really little, because you gotta make a knot. So yeah. like I said, the frontal is the same way on how to sew the back and everything. And I used two bundles. I used the 28 bundle and the 26 bundle, and I used like literally like a little strand of the 24th bundle, and that was it. Like, this wig is full, long, and everything is so pretty. Oh my god. And one thing that I want to tell you is to not actually like sew down where you see this line there. I'm going to try to zoom in. But like that line, please don't try to sew in like right there, because that's really like, it make it tighter. And that's just really mess up the thread. It really just messes up a whole bunch of mess ups. So please try to not to do it. I can understand like you going over it, but don't try to go actually through that.